guys, welcome to my tiny little dining nook here at the beach cottage. It measures about 58 square feet. And yes, I did measure because every inch counts when you live in a small space. I love this dining nook. It gets such beautiful light during the day, and it's a great place to put all my potted plants and my hanging plants. But after a while, even the most diehard plant person has to make sure that the plants don't start to add to the clutter of a small space, and that's what was happening here. I wanted to find a way to maximize vertical storage of my air plants. I kind of have an air plant collection of sorts, and I thought, okay, let's create a feature wall, get a piece of plexiglass and create my own clear floating plexiglass frame where I could display my air plants. I thought, okay, well, how am I going to actually cradle the air plants and install them? And I went to my local party store. I found the perfect solution. So these are called, you guys have an idea? These are called picnic tablecloth clips that keep a tablecloth from blowing away outside. So I thought, oh, if I could install these clips horizontally onto the picture frame, then my air plants can sit right on top. Why don't we head out to the hardware store, get the plexiglass cut, and come right back, and it's a lot easier for me to show you what I'm talking about. So I've got my plexiglass here, and then I just drilled a hole into each corner of the plexiglass because I'm going to put a screw in the plexiglass to install on the wall. I bought these little things at the hardware store. I think they're called extenders. I'm going to put one of the shorter extenders onto the screw. Then I'm going to push it through the hole that I've already pre-drilled. So 2 more extenders. These are a little larger. They're about 1.5 inches to 2 inches. And I'm going to put 2 of them on the other side of the screw. Now I already put anchors in the wall. Now, of course, you can buy a plexiglass frame, floating frame, and that would be amazing. And it probably comes with these beautiful brass screws that will already extend the frame outside from the wall, but they're kind of expensive, and I thought that I could do it myself. Now, before I start to put on the air plant holders, I actually want to add some super strong magnets from behind, and I'm going to put them in each corner because I want to actually put a piece of art behind here and incorporate that with the air plants. And I thought this would be a beautiful backdrop. So let's go like this. I put the magnets on either side to hold up my art print, and now I'm going to put up my air plants. So I'm going to take my picnic table holder clip from the party store. I'm going to take clear command strips. Make sure they're clear because you don't want to see the white. The clips are installed. Bring on the air plants. Well, there you have it, a floating air plant frame that can fit into any tiny corner. It's vertical storage for the win. I just love it. I'll see you back at the cottage for more small nutshell living tips.